What's going on, everybody? In this episode I'll be showing you your profile on Paxful. You can see here that I set up how you can verify your phone number. So you can see that here are some verifications. It will say email not verified or phone not verified. That means you have to go and verify that now. To verify your phone number, you can go to your account settings and then type in your number. If you are in the USA, start it with +1. Please don't forget the plus and the country code. Click confirm number and wait for a text message with a code. Then type in the code from the text message and click the button. You can also watch this video on how to verify your phone number. And you can see special trades and be more trusted by vendors. So you can see there are offers, feedbacks, and that there are more info. The info says 0 trade partners, 0 trades, 0 BTC trade volume, trusted by 0 people, blocked by 0 people, and joined 1 week ago. But your one might be different to mine. Over here it will say seen by 51 minutes ago. This means that I've been on this 51 minutes ago. And you can see that there are positive, reputation, and neutral. You can also follow them on Twitter, Facebook, and follow them on the email. So I'm going to end the video right here. You can find this website in the description box down below this video. You can go to the Rescreen website and there are over 150 pages that you can read. And thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the Paxful profile.